is the even problems. So root 125a squared. 2 won't go into that. 3 won't. 5 will. 25 times. So 5 and 5. It's the a's. Circle your pairs. 5 will be left over. So 5 outside because it's circle. A outside because it's circle. Build your house. 5 is the only thing left over. So 5. 5a root 5. And as always, pause the video, try it out, see if you got the right answer. Rewatch the video as necessary. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So 2 root 108 b squared. Always start off with 2 until you can't use it no more. 108 divided by 2 is 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 3, 9, and then 3 and 3. BV. Circle, circle, circle. 3 looks like to be the only thing left over. So, be wary. There's already a 2 outside. So 2 times this 2 times this tree times the V with a tree left over. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12V root 3. Good job if you got it right. Number 6, we're multiplying. That's what the dot stands for. You know, product, multiplication. So, multiply the outside. Let me rewrite it real quick. I'm doing this without my glasses. I really should put my glasses on. So, again, outside numbers. We just had the negative 3, so negative 3. Build your house. 10 times 2, 20. In, imaginary 1 up here. In, imaginary 1. There go. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then from here, you just break it up. 2 and 10, 2 and 5. In. Circle your pairs. 5 is left over. Again, be wary. There is already a 3 outside, a negative 3. So, negative 3 times 2 times in. Build your house. 5 left over. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Bring down the n. 5. Skadoosh. I got a cough again. Yeah. Don't worry about that guy. Addition. So negative 2 root 8 plus 3 root 18. 2 and 4, 2 and 2, 2 and 9, 3 and 3. Circle the pairs, box. Circle the pairs, box. Remember in class, I went ahead and just put a dot 2 when I'm multiplying these outside things. Dot 3. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4 with a 2 left over. 3 times 3 is a 9. Positive 9 with another 2 left over. These are like terms. So what's 9 minus 4? 5. In. Boop. That looks real long, but you know what? We can handle it. In fact, take notice here. Those guys are the same thing. Add them up. Negative 3 minus 3, negative 6. Then simplify. So let's see what happens. Divide by 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. Again, we should be really good at this by now. 2, 27. 3, 9. 3 and 3. 2's left over, 3 left over, 2 left over, 3 left over. Let me scroll down. 2, negative 6 already on the outside, times a 2 that we move out. And then a 2 and a 3 left over. Over here we have a negative 2, a 3 is moving out. a 2, and a 3 left over. Supply it, negative 6 times 2. Oh, good grannies. Look, guys, the, the extend page button. Remember, I was looking for that thing. Oh, all right, never mind that. All right, negative 6 times 2 is negative 12, root 6. Negative 2 times 3 is another negative 6. Yep, sorry. 6. Sorry, I'm just really excited about that extend page. Oh, no! Where did it go? Oh, now I'm sad again. Anyway, negative 12 minus 6, because these are like terms, would be negative 18. There we go. Skadoosh. I can't believe I lost that button. It was here, and now it's gone. Anyway, we already talked about this in class. Remember, after simplification, if you have a radical symbol left over, it's irrational. If it works itself out, simplifies, no leftovers, then it's rational. Okay? Radicals left over, irrational. No radicals left over, rational. Okay? We already named these from class, but again, 2 means it's quad. 1, 2, 3 terms mean it's a trinomial. 2 means quad. 1, 2, binomial. Quadratic binomial. Again, we kind of started this in class. Remember, positive, you don't change the signs. Negative, you do change the signs. So that 1 turns into a negative 1. That negative 8r to the 4th, positive 8r to the 4th. Negative 3r cubed, positive 3r cubed. You change them. That's a 3 over there. And then for kicks and grins, I'm just going to bring this down. Add your like terms. Negative 1's not going to go anywhere, so I'm just going to put it off to the side. 8r to the 4th will go right there, like terms. Skadoosh. 3r cubed, that's going to go right here with the 3r cubed stuff. Bring stuff down. So 8 and 4 make 12. Yeah, 12r to the 4th. Bring down the 7r squared. Imaginary 1 plus 3 gives us 4r cubed, and then minus 1. I rather you put this in standard form, which reminds me I got to add a question to the test. See, 12r to the 4th plus 4r cubed, 7r squared minus 1. Done deal. Remember, it's standard form because it goes 4, 3, 2. There would have been a 1, but now it's the constant at the end. Boop. There we go. Again, if you want to, you can use the box method or distribute, totally up to you. I prefer the box method. Remember, this would be a 2 by 2 because it's a binomial. Let me fix that. It's supposed to be a 2. There we go. All right. And then the 7v and the minus 6 right there. Excuse me, that wasn't me. It's like we're in class all over again. 7 and 5, 35. Remember, you're multiplying. 7 times 2 is 14 because we're multiplying. 5 and negative 6, negative 30. V, and then over here, negative 6 and 2 make negative 12. Remember in class, you add your peanuts. Add your peanuts. Oh, that's not going to be a positive. Well, what am I thinking? That would be a negative 16b. Negative 30 plus 14. Remember, you add your peanuts. And then bring down the negative 12. Skadoosh. Again, multiply your squares. Trinomial, told you that was as hard as it's going to get, but you can do it because 100 squares. Binomial, 3n, 5, 2n squared, 2n minus 2. 2 and 3 make 6 n cubed. 2 and 3 make 6 n squared, and negative 6n. 5 and 2 make 10. Don't forget the n squared part. 5 and 2 make 10. Okay, what a quinkadink. And 5 and negative 2 make negative 10. Boom. Again, add the peanuts because they are like terms. Add the peanuts. They are like terms. At least they should be. 6n cubed. 10 plus 6 is 16n squared. 10 minus 6 is a 4. And then negative 10. Skadoosh. Again, the pause where necessary. I'm going to cough again. Water. Let me drink some water while you copy that. Excuse me. Boop. Remember, when it's written like this, you either use a shortcut, or write it out twice. Can't remember who said that in class. We'll pretend it was, I don't know. All right, boxes. Or you can distribute, whichever one you prefer. And you're multiplying the boxes. 5 and 5 make 25. N and N make N squared. Negative would be a negative 5n. Negative 5n again. And negative 1, positive 1. Yep, you guessed it. Add your peanuts. So 25n squared, because it comes from right there. Your peanut, negative 10n. 10n, sorry. And plus 1. Skadoosh. I feel like that was the last one. Let's find out. And it was, because we did that in class. So, study. Study. Do your IXL. Study. Practice. Practice, practice. All right, see you cats later. Good night.